Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and I'm just going to show you a quick video how to play the Google Chrome hidden game. So, if you're completely offline, so I've turned off my Wi-Fi and gone into airplane mode, and then gone into the Google Chrome app. Now, I've tried loading google.com and it's no internet. And what you want to do then is you want to press this little dinosaur here. It'll come to live and you want to press the screen to jump over obstacles. And if you miss like that, you'll be game over. So we can try again. Come to the obstacle, press the button, and we jump. And you can play this completely offline. So that's how to find Google Chrome's hidden game. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and let us know in the comments below if you enjoyed this game. And it does get harder the longer you go. Let us know your highest score also. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.